Good evening, students of Saraswati Vidya Mandir, class 9. In all previous videos, we almost complete the first chapter of economics, Palampur Gaon ki Kahani, in which I state that Palampur, which is a hypothetical village given in your chapter to understand the model of economy. Actually, Palampur Gaon is a model of economy from which you can understand the various sectors and composition of economy and the various activities which is performed in an economy. Now we see several segments and sectors of Palampur in the form of agriculture, non-farm activities, service sector, everything. Now at last, while we finish already the chapter, it is necessary to arise some important question from the point of view of examination. And here some important question. First question is, what do you mean by working capital? I hope that you all make your notes on Palampur Gaon ki Kahani with question answer exercise, because in videos, in previous videos which I sent to you, in those videos everything going to be clear in very detail. If you have any problem, you must have to go on those videos from YouTube, the link which is given. The question is, what do you mean by working capital? हमने कहा था कि इसे के working capital है और fixed capital. हमने कहा कि working capital और fixed capital, as we know that for production, the organization of production is consist of four factors: land, labor, capital and entrepreneur, in which capital is the most important and active factor which motivate the production process also. And that capital factor has further two parts: working capital and fixed capital. Fixed capital refers those factors which is not going to be changed with or varies with the variation in production or change in production in short period, like land, building, machinery, etc. And working capital refers those capital which is need on day-to-day basis, like raw materials, labor wages, electricity payment, everything, transportation. So that is working capital. Working capital needed for day-to-day activity. It is not establishment capital. So working capital is those capital which is needed to perform day-to-day activities. That is working capital. And working capital also refers those capital or variable factors. Working capital is also known as variable factors of production, which going to be varies or change with the variation or change in production. हमने आपको बताया था कि आपका जो किचन है, उस किचन में जो चूल्हा है, जो आपका किचन रूम है, ये सब जो है, जो स्लैब है, जो अलमारियां बनी हुई हैं, दोज ऑल आर फिक्स फैक्टर्स. बट चावल, दाल, मसाला, तेल, सब्जी, ये सब वेरिएबल फैक्टर है, बिकॉज ये प्रोडक्शन के अमाउंट पर निर्भर करता है. एंड विथ द इंक्रीज इन प्रोडक्शन, द नीड ऑफ वर्किंग कैपिटल ऑल्सो गोइंग टू बी नीड. एंड विथ द decrease in production, the need of working capital also going to be decreased. That is working capital. In simple sense, we can say that working capital refers all those capital which is which gets change or varies with the variation in production or change in production. Next question: mention the main features of Green Revolution. Green Revolution has dimensional impact over economy, especially on agriculture sector. Agriculture sector में Green Revolution का main feature था कि production and productivity of agriculture products were increased unexpectedly, and due to this it is called revolutionary. The production of wheat and other things were going to be increased from 300 kg to 3002 kg and 10 times more. So that is the revolutionary impact of increase in production and productivity, the main feature of Green Revolution, and due to this it is called Green Revolution. Thus,